First, draw one outline. Then draw another outline. Draw one curved line.
The Baby Yoda's ear.
Draw another outline. One more outline. Okay, now the Baby Yoda's left face outline is done. You can see the central line of the face to mirror the left face to right side by same steps. Then draw the eyes of a Baby Yoda's face.
My outline looks like a fat bird, which is flying towards me.
Yes, very fat. Then draw the coat's collar. Right arm and left arm.
I know, next is body.
Yes. Draw his hands. See, Baby Yoda has 3 fingers. Don't draw like our hands.
I see.
Draw some wave line from Baby Yoda's waist. Then draw one big arc line to make the bottom half of the Easter egg.
Now, can we draw some pattern to the Easter egg?
Sure. Don't forget to draw the circles to the eyes shining area.
Finally, draw the outline again to adjust on some imperfect places.
Why did you draw your outline so thick? Your Baby Yoda has a beard. He doesn't look like a baby. He is an old Yoda over 200 age.
Though Baby Yoda is 50, he is at a baby state. Oh no!
Then we start to use a color pen to fill the color. Green color for face and hands. Pink to ears, brown for his coat. You can draw your favorite color on the Easter egg. Draw your personal feeling.
Yeah! Draw the universe and moon at the background. Is it cool?
Very cool. I will draw the shadow for the Baby Yoda and the Easter egg. Then they look like suspending in the sky because he has the power of the Force.
Oh, cool.
Now we finish it. Do you like it?